live
on the scene.
Mr. Jameson won't let me eat my lunch until I finish this direct proof he gave.
Indirect proof. Lily's lunchtime problem. Problem. Given. XZ is greater than YZ. Proof. Angle X is not congruent to angle Y. Seen in the picture down below. Step 1. Make an assumption or contradiction. Assumption. Angle X is congruent to angle Y. Step 2. Proof. Caution. Use the assumption as the given when doing the proof. Segment XZ is congruent to segment YZ by the converse of the isosceles triangle theorem. Once you see a contradiction, go to step 3. Step 3. Final statement. Caution. You must follow a specific statement format. This contradicts the given information that XZ is greater than YZ. Therefore, the assumption angle X is congruent to angle Y must be false, so the original statement angle X is not congruent to angle Y must be true. Step 4. Putting it all together. Angle X is congruent to angle Y. Segment XZ is congruent to segment YZ by the converse of the isosceles triangle theorem. This contradicts the given information that XZ is greater than YZ. Therefore, the assumption angle X is congruent to angle Y must be false, so the original statement angle X is not congruent to angle Y must be true.
Now I can finally eat my pizza.
Allie the alligator has escaped from the zoo. Let's go to Courtney.
Upcoming, a photo of Allie the alligator. Her mouth insanely large.
Chomp, 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 chomp.
Inequalities in a triangle. Allie the alligator. Find the relationship between the measures of angle DBF and angle BFD. Use an angle-side relationship theorem. If one side of a triangle is longer than another side, then the angle opposite the longer side has a greater measure than the angle opposite the shorter side. So the side opposite of angle DBF is less than the side opposite of angle BFD. Side opposite of angle DBF is 5. Side opposite of angle BFD is 12. The answer is then, the measurement of angle DBF is greater than the measurement of angle BFD.
Allie's just hanging out in the sewers. Don't send your kids down there.
A helicopter's coming in. Let's go to Andrew live on the scene.
I need to find the altitude, guys. Help me out.
Finding Orthocenter. Andrew's helicopter. Problem. Coordinates are T at 5, 5, R at -4, 8, and S at -1, 5. Find the orthocenter. Step 1. What is an orthocenter? Orthocenter. Point of concurrency, or the altitudes, segment from vertex to the opposite side, are concurrent. Step 2. Find the equation of the altitude from 5, 5. Line RS slope. -1. Opposite reciprocal of slope, or slope of altitude, is 1. Put this into an equation and use the point where altitude meets vertex. Simplify using algebra and you get b equals 0. Equation for altitude, y equals 1x. Step 3. Find the equation for the altitude of -1, 5. Slope of line TS, -1/3. Opposite reciprocal, 3. Put this into an equation and use the point where altitude meets vertex. Simplify using algebra and you get b equals 8. Equation for altitude, y equals 3x plus 8. Step 4. Set equations equal to each other. X plus 0 equals 3x plus 8. X equals -4. Place x in one of the equations to get y. Y equals -4. The answer of the orthocenter is -4, -4.
This just in. The helicopter seems to be landing in the swimming pool.